Yeah. I would like to show here at the first a display which looks pretty small, and unfortunately it's not working anymore. Too many people obviously touched already on the electronics. It's a special sharp design focused on a very low power consumption. It comes without backlight as a reflective TFT display, but it can also be equipped from our side with a backlight on customer request. Further on, we have a display from Empire. It's a 4.3-inch display that we have equipped here with a called EVA foil, which allows a normal TN cell to be viewed from all directions without any color or contrast inversion. Very interesting is a display that we split in two halves. One half is a normal view, and on the right-hand side we see the same display covered with an anti-reflecting foil, preventing from the strong light from above irritating the optical performance for outside use, for use on ships and boats or on handheld applications. Even monochrome is still an issue for us. We are showing a monochrome display with vertical alignment technology, giving us a high contrast, but it's only available for lower multiplex rates. So as you can see, it's only usable for smaller matrices or for character and segment displays. Moving on, here is a pervasive display. It's also a TFT technology, monochrome. The advantage, it shows on the display some contents without being permanently driven, so it's actually predestinated for price signs in supermarkets, for instance, or for any other signage where you do not have power all the time available. Moving on to the bigger size displays, I would like to point out a 17-inch display from Innolux. It's a very brilliant high temperature range and very high contrast and luminance. A viewing angle from all sides, 89 degrees. And it's in the brand new electro car, which is popular now and becoming more and more popular. So it reflects that it can be used outside or in difficult temperature conditions. Also interesting, and it was requested by the market since a long time, these kind of smaller type stretched displays that can be used for cars on the ceiling or in wagons and trains. It's a solution from KOE, also very high contrast and also very nice viewing angles. Moving on to even bigger sizes, we come to a display from LG. It comes in 4K UHD resolution. It's predestinated for any kind of medical applications where you need a high resolution, where you need a high color saturation and a clear picture like doctors need it when they do some surgery in the hospital. AUO shows here a display in vertical alignment technology with extensive viewing angles of 89 degrees from all sides. So it's predestinated for any higher end application where it needs to be recognized from different directions. And also here we have a very nice operating temperature. Last but not least, I want to show a 55-inch TFT solution. Here coming with a capacitive touchscreen, also 55 inches. And as you can see, a very nice opportunity when you are working in work groups and you need to demonstrate bigger size demonstrations like here. Very nice optical characteristics, it's vertical alignment technology, and by the way, we can supply those touches up to 84 inches. So I think for any big size application, really a nice solution. On top of it, we see also a big size TFT display. In this case, it's a 50-inch TFT display. It comes with a 4K, 2K resolution, like it is nowadays required by medicals for visualization of camera pictures during a surgery in hospital. And as you can see, every detail is coming very significant, outstanding optical performance. Our solutions here for the big size TFT displays.